Hi, I'm Sherry Vining. I'm here to tell you about Windsong's newest community called Owenby. Owenby is so conveniently located, just minutes from downtown Woodstock. All your shopping, all your dining, all your healthcare, numerous opportunities for live entertainment, including the amphitheater, any type of entertainment that you may be looking for.
Enjoy a new beginning in a timeless setting at Owenby by Windsong Properties. 53 inviting homes mark the exciting premiere of 3 beautiful new home designs that showcase a mix of Craftsman-inspired elevations blended with front and alley-fed driveways. Owenby beautifully exemplifies Windsong's dedication to realizing interior living spaces that are intentionally engineered for the active adult home buyer. From luxury appointments to entertainment-friendly open floor plans, every element is carefully selected to enhance your lifestyle. The same holds true for the outdoor living spaces. Owenby offers our homeowners comfortable and relaxing outdoor environments, like rocking chair front porches and courtyard patios. Sidewalks throughout the Owenby community give homeowners the opportunity to walk and spend time with their neighbors. Owenby's clubhouse will undoubtedly serve as the community's social hub for planned and impromptu gatherings.
The size of the window that gave us the space.
The kitchen. When I walked in, it was like, this is just what I need.
And then she said, let's go outside and come in through the front door. Walking through the front door was the wow factor that surpassed the other homes and communities that I had looked at.
I have never had as many counters, and I'm a passionate cook.
Everything is just on one level and suited me very well for what my purpose was.
When I wake up in the morning, the house is full of light and it's exciting to begin and just feeling, this is my home. I like this. Shortly after I moved in, someone knocked at my door and said, oh, just as information, on Fridays, we have a happy hour at the clubhouse. You're invited to come, meet your neighbors.
Friday night get-togethers every week.
And your neighbors coming out the door and they stop you and you talk a few minutes and everyone's so friendly.
Here's the most important thing. They're all very down to earth, very open, very friendly.
This lifestyle seems to really fit me. And the way everything was handled was just a wonderful experience.
Friendships are being made and I feel very lucky. Most important is picking a Windsong community that has basically checked all the boxes that make life a little easier for someone that's 55 plus.
We love our Windsong home.
With only 53 home sites, Owenby is sure to sell quickly, so don't miss your opportunity. Come visit us today and see what we can offer you at Owenby. Call us at 770-917-8082 to set up your private tour or visit us at windsonglife.com.